Okay, magro-road test tayo kasi ang report ko sa kanila, meron tong konting kabig pakaliwa. Konti lang naman.
Kaliwa, kanan sir.
Kaliwa. Sa kaliwa siya kumakabig. Ayan, dyan, ramdam mo yan. Dyan.
Subukan natin.
Sige.
Are you looking for information about the BYD Sea Lion 6? You came to the right channel. Here at Team D TV, we have a dedicated playlist that talks about our journey with our own SL6. We have been documenting our experiences since day one. We talk about its performance and the beautiful things about the SL6, where to buy donut spare tire, how to build your extension cord for the charger, road trips, driving tips, energy and fuel consumption. We also talk about the errors we encountered and how they were resolved so that you can evaluate if the SL6 is the right car for you. Please subscribe and feel free to browse through our channel as your reference. Look for the playlist Our Sea Lion 6. Stay tuned because we will continue to update this playlist as we continue our journey with our SL6.
Pero hindi naman siya annoying na kailangan kong ireklamo at kaya inantay ko na lang sa PMS eh. Meron 30, 40 ramdam mo na yan.
Meron nga sir.
Alignment. Okay, testing ulit. Nakapag-adjust na. So, hopefully, kuha na agad.
Dali.
Kuha.
Oo sir. Ayan.
Kita ko eh. Kita ko yung pihit mo, sumasabay doon sa equipment eh. Ilang beses na lang nakapanood ng ganyan eh. Alam ko pag hindi na kukuha eh. Hindi sumasabay doon sa yung galaw nung ganon, nung sa tool.
Sa machine.
Oo.
Ayan.
Yan.
Dati kanan.
Oo, dito pa lang kumakaliwa ka na eh.
Observe mo na lang to sir.
Oo. Pero syempre meron pa niyang konting-konti, hindi naman yan na-perfect talaga eh. Pero tingnan natin, baka bukas takbo ako sa
Sige sir.
expressway.
Pag ganun pa rin sir, balik mo lang ulit sa akin sir. Observe mo muna to sir.
Oo. Okay, so tinesting ko yung manibela. Mukhang na-resolve na nga, pero syempre ang pinaka final verdict natin nito magagawa natin kapag napatakbo na natin sa sa expressway. Wait lang kasi medyo diretso dito. Ayan, okay na nga. Normally at this point mararamdaman ko na yan.
Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.